Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to remove letters from a text string in Google Sheets. For this example, we will isolate the contact numbers from sample customer responses. We will use the REGEXREPLACE function. In the designated cell, type =, REGEXREPLACE, open round bracket, then select the corresponding source cell, type comma, double quotation marks, open square bracket, then uppercase A, hyphen, uppercase Z, then lowercase a, hyphen, lowercase z. Then type close square bracket, double quotation marks, comma, then two double quotation marks, and a close round bracket. Then press enter. This removes all letters from the source cell, leaving numbers or symbols only. So, that is how you remove letters from a string in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.